Hello friends, we are going to discuss about the audit under income tax. There is a provision for income tax audit in section 44AB. Let's start the contents of this session. First, introduction to tax audit under section 44AB. Then one form 3CA, form 3CB, form 3CD. Then we can discuss steps to be taken by auditor and then audit procedure. Let's start introduction. The audit carried out under the provisions of section 44AB is called tax audit. Firstly, it was introduced by the section 11 of the Finance Act 1984. It is introduced newly in section 44AB from 1985. The tax audit report has been useful for all the users such as tax authorities, banks, assessee as well as an auditor. The meaning and definition of tax audit. So first of all, we can say tax audit is an examination which aims to ascertain the compliance of various provisions and other requirements of law of the assessee. It is prescribed under the Income Tax Act as per section 44AB. The tax audit is detailed verification of the books of accounts maintained by business and verifies the tax audit is detailed verification of books of accounts maintained by business and verifies the accurateness of the income earned and deduction claimed by the assessee in the income tax return. There are various objectives. Of tax audit. First objective is to ensure that the books of accounts and other records are properly maintained. The another objective is faithfully reflect the income of taxpayer and claims for deduction correctly made by him. Thank you. Hello, myself Dr. Niranjan Shah. I am here explaining the classification of GST. There are basically two types of GST: intrastate supply GST and interstate supply GST. Intrastate supply GST means those which are buying and selling in a particular state, which called intrastate, and interstate means the transaction of buying and selling of goods and services between two different states. It's called interstate. There are two another taxes which is classified into the category of central goods and service tax, state goods and service tax. The interstate transactions are taxable